Hey, this will be a video chart on IDCC. Done this one a ton of times. It's been a while though since the last video I did do. I've had some questions on it, so I want to get it updated. We're looking at a longer term time frame here. You can see down here we're looking at multiple months here, but this really does kind of do the best job of explaining what's going on and what we want to see and don't see occur with the chart. So the first area to start is this key level of support that the price has been hanging around here, and this comes from way back here on what date was this? This was on June 30th. Was the day right before this gap up here. And then you can see the pullback here. Let's see how close it got. So on the high of this day was 41.09, and then the low on this day was 41.20. So when we're talking about a big board stock like this, right within 11 cents, that's pretty darn close. So this level here, going to draw a line across, and you can see here now that the price, like I said, has been hovering right around this level here, and we'll call it, just for simplicity's sake, we'll just call this 41.20. So out of curiosity, today's low was 42.50. Yesterday's low was 42.34. So we've had a bunch of lows, like I said, right around this area here, and this is going to be a very important level of support. So let this get green, and then make this line relatively thick to represent it being a pretty darn important level. The reason I say that is because when I scrunch the chart up more, if this level does fail, then the next level of support isn't until down here at these lows, which is below $36. So that's why this level up here is pretty darn important in terms of the chart. And unless you want to see it go down to pick up cheap shares, and I guess you'd want to see this level fall. But I'm guessing most people, have all the shares they want. So for those, this is the level that you want to see hold strong. And then from a chart pattern perspective, what we have here, and depending on how you want to define things, shorter term or medium term, we have a falling wedge that's taken shape, and kind of despite what you would think, this is actually a bullish pattern. A rising wedge would be a bearish pattern, but we do have a falling wedge here that's taken shape. So given that we've had this pattern, and you combine that with the fact that the price is hovering right around this key level of support, I would not be surprised to see it make at least a run up here towards this purple line, which is the 50-day simple moving average. Obviously there's no guarantees within the world of the stock market, but like I said, given the price relative to where it is to support and this bullish pattern we have taken shape here, I wouldn't be surprised to see some sort of move upwards. But if that's going to happen, we're going to need to see one of these classic, big volume surge days come in order to break up through the top part of this pattern and then keep on going up. Because if you look here, we have two of the famous moving averages here, the 200-day and 50-day. So those will definitely present resistance with any sort of move upward. So you want to keep an eye on those. But that's where the chart currently stands. Like I said, just for simplicity's sake, we'll call it 41.20 being the key level of support. But we do have this bullish pattern here taking shape, the falling wedge. If there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. And with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards on to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It is all free. We've been making some good money together on our alerts. So I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was IDCC. Thanks for listening.